safe in getting through tomorrow. When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and lie to me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over.
Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. No guys, I have not abandoned any other site them, as I say, construction, and who builds know that. So a few people alone just have the cash flow like that for just start them project and just finish it without no stopping, without going back to the drawing board or whatever. A few people alone do it like that. So most of the projects, at least here in Jamaica, them start and stop. So on this unit now, you realize that it is partially tiled, just partially, everything just sparse, and it's not something we can, make you fully do a video on, as I say, just pieces. Right now the guys I'm in Westmoreland. But now the place are gonna remain as is. We have another project to start soon, so until then. You see this?
Nope.
Drywall. So the plastering work I did have gone up here, so was in vain. So we're going. Shoreline ceiling, shoreline again, shoreline ceiling. Come on, focus. Have to focus in life, Focus in life.
That side breaker. I love this thing.
So this is the to be bespoke lavatory basin. So look like I'm gonna cast it and put the basin on top of it. Shower, as you can see, this is a cast and put the base and put it's a shower. So cast up this. I don't know how this I go cast. Plaster of all of this, and then if I shower along I will go upon it, but yeah. So again, shower along, all of this done long time. long time. So other works up top. The glass floor number 2. Shower lawn, lighter color, shower lawn, paint. I would say floor level need to rise in here, so don't know what happened. And again, bespoke, his and hers. So this is a shower enclosure. What? Boy, I'm afraid to touch a wall here. Not trust the wall here when I say, but anyways, we're just looking. Troll on again, yeah, especially sleep me. And not just a water. See how high this there? Rainforest. I guess is the idea. Yep. I'm going upstairs one more time. You know, important of a landing. It's like a resting point. So when you're high on stairs, you need to rest. You can't just so it's kind of like a resting point. It is important. Yeah.
Shit, I don't even know two can shit. Damn, goddamn Ben, Jillman Franklin. Nigga take shots, swear to God, my spangle. Damn, why they always trying to beat me? Ayy, I can't see him like I'm Stevie. Ay,
good morning again, Team Ismash. This morning we're up on another site. We're just tear down the whole of this thing around here. So it's a lot. I don't remember how much cubic meter, cubic yard, cubic feet. What? I can't remember, it's a lot. We take our time walking from around here, so we try to gain access from around here, so but we make a gamble on whether or not this is solid, or whether bringing the excavator, but we think the backhoe good enough to tear down the whole around here, so fingers crossed this not take too long, but so far we see a mixture of soil type. Take with time. Just want to look a peg right there, so we make sure mark your wall for just indicate there's something that close to off here, so you know far off my wall. And then we see what we can do. Just remove the slab. The slab have absolutely no reinforcement whatsoever. Not even a little bit of steel. Didn't even have to use the hammer. Damn. Work in progress. Have a truckload of sun. But we're gonna drop off right there, so. Run there. Yeah, right up there. Good. I furthest that thing can come back though. If furthest back as possible. If he can come back, look. Alright, then let it low. Access granted. Yes sir, time to take on the big boy. to stuff up the inlet and outlet for the manual. So when they're going there, just have to go and clean out. Or bung, let me say bung. Guys, we're getting a meat. Rock there for days. It is disappointing as me the hope for a quicker run with just mild, but it is what it is when it comes to unforeseen events. Me to try film and talk whilst the jackhammer did at it, but I barely can't even hear myself think. So I'm gonna just run a montage and I'm gonna tear down all of this and I have a decision to make whether or not I should put the excavator upon it or just continue with the backhoe, because so far the backhoe it not move at the rate I want to move. It at work, you know, but more and more results. I don't know if I greedy, but results. Good morning again, Team Ismash. New day, by the way, new afternoon. This is where we're at with our excavation. Here then guys, up in the bush there, we have a little issue, a little hiccup when it comes down to the excavation around the back. Remember I was telling you guys that if the soil type becomes too hard, the excavator, the backhoe can't manage it, so we have to get the excavator. Now having some access issues in which I was denied access over on the other community, and now I have to, you know, think of different ways to still execute my task, because I may have missed to get it done. So I find this little cul-de-sac. I asked the permission to access this land and it was granted. I'm going to use this land to access the back of our property, where in which we can continue works, because the excavator can't fit where the backhoe fit. So I'm sure now what I do up there. So new day, new task, new problem. You look away there, we were clear yesterday, coming from around here, so use the Bushmaster, you know. Travel go up. Where there's a will, there's a way. Bushmaster always find a way. But I have to hold on for it. Dear life. You know what? The machine in a place still, you know? Guys, when I think I can film out the whole of this, as this is dangerous, so I need my two hands on for hold this rail here, so be sure now when it's finished. This could have been avoided. everybody argue, of course, who come like, I don't know if them two guys they know each other from somewhere, but this is the result of a interpersonal conflict. And should I be the person to stand this cost? I don't think so. Good morning again, team Ismash. Another day, another machine. Hopefully another dollar. As you guys can see, we have a different type of JCB into the, even though the backhoe there, right over there, so. And it's a D1 on it, and you can see me in business in comparison to where the backhoe do. Even though it costs almost twice as much, make twice as much sense. All of that over there is off a cart away, so the backhoe have a little bit of work for them, and I got this I run for them now for my carting away. So it's a demolition bushmaster. The true meaning of business. So current dilemma, which is expected, hose burst on the backhoe. The bucket and the excavator are play hard, you know, won't come off, so we can use the hammer. And you know, regular projecting, anything that can go wrong will go wrong, you know. So we provide a little good look after standing on the equipment, and all of a sudden I don't know what that called, decide to release the bucket. So we are trying to go back down here, so we pick up the hammer and commence progress, you know. Even though this is within progress, because we actually reached somewhere. But yeah, I use our wits and complete this project. Our team are Smash. I don't know, your boy is somewhat the best. So we have successfully retrieved the hammer, and we're not going to see work, you know. We have done this before the day is done. Who want bet on it? Bet now in the comment section before the vlog finish. $100 USD at least per hand. Let's go. Alright guys, so we reach another percentage in our way completion milestone achieved. We put on this, the hammer, which I try to put on for the longest while. We have to change it from a task to actually a milestone. And as I said, I did have my touch a good look, and the lock thing upon it open. So now I do some damage to this, and I think we can close this off for the day. Tomorrow now we carry the backhoe and clean up this. Damage. Watch your line. Big boy in town. One rock, yeah. I knock. Gotcha. I must jade. But that one is bigger than the excavator, man. We need something bigger. This is a 220, come like we need a 340. Boy, I guess I spoke too early on this. Nothing but rocks. Nothing but rocks. I finish this off. Ah, boy. It's not looking good. So guys, we are going to call it a vlog. This vlog has been going on for the longest while now. I'm glad I like a party here. Just check it out. So, if you guys want to see the end product, you guys just stick around to my next vlog. You know, it not come too long from this because I finish this like tomorrow. This little area we're seeing here, so I gotta have the backhoe run through it so that the truck can use this as the access point, because we need about 500 cubic yard of spoil to be removed. So yeah, Team Ismash, hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Hope you guys find this type of vlogs fun, and them like a thing there. It's not no house, it's just us, you know, doing some little demo work. So Team Ismash, hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I am out.